Hi, good day. My name is Chef Janji at nalalapit na naman ang Semana Santa. And this time, we're gonna make gising-gising using sarangani, prime bangus, boneless milkfish belly. Tara, samahan niyo ako at gawin natin ang gising-gising. Let's put the oil first and then ginger, onions, and garlic. Ang next natin ay ang Philhouse Bagoong Gisado. So it's up to you if you want to use the spicy one or the regular one. Ayan. Next, ilalagay natin ang sili. So optional also, you can use chili flakes. At ilalagay na natin ang boneless milkfish belly ng Sarangani Bay. This is pre-cooked already. We will season it with salt and pepper. And then we're gonna add our vegetables, which is the diced string beans or Baguio beans. And lastly, we're gonna add the cocoa milk from Island Pacific. So a generous serving on top of our rice, steamed rice. Okay, there you go. And to finish it off, optional, you can sprinkle a little chili flakes and put some labuyo on top, and that's it. There you have it, our Gising Gising by Sarangani Bay Prime Bangus. And all the ingredients that we use, you can find it in your local favorite Island Pacific supermarket.